It's yum. I can just eat it like this.
Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing well. Today let's make some crispy chili garlic lotus stem. This is a low calorie recipe because I'm not gonna deep fry the lotus stem and I'm gonna air fry them. With a very simple sauce we're gonna make this recipe. So
to start with, we need some thinly sliced lotus stem. To this I'm gonna add some salt, black pepper powder, tapioca powder or corn flour, 2 tablespoons of olive oil and mix it all well. Now let's air fry this in a preheated air fryer for at least 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, let's make the sauce, for which I'm adding some oil, spring onion bulb, ginger garlic, green chilies and saute. Once the ginger garlic turns golden brown, let's add some chili sauce, tomato ketchup, soya sauce. I'm using light soya sauce and saute. Let this simmer for at least 2 minutes. Now I'm adding some salt, pepper and mix it all well. I've also added some finely chopped spring onion to it. Let's see how the lotus stem has turned out. It has turned little crispy. We need to put it for another 10 minutes to make it super crispy. The lotus stem is finally all nice and crispy.
Can you hear that? It's so crispy, you don't have to fry it. Don't have to deep fry it. I can just eat it like this.
Now add the lotus stem to the sauce we made earlier and toss it nicely until it's all coated well and our yummy, crispy chili garlic lotus stem is ready.
So our crispy chili garlic lotus stem is ready. Let's taste it. It's really good. If you are someone who loves eating these crispy lotus stem in restaurants, you should definitely try this because it is similar but it's non-fried and it tastes very good. Until the next video, take care and bye-bye.